You know, this is a little bit different than what I've been doing. I will get back to porting that head here pretty soon, but I figured I'd throw kind of little videos in like this every once in a while. But as you can see, replacing a mobile home floor, or another mobile home floor I should say, and been scraping all the pack rat garbage out of here best I can. I didn't do this, somebody else did. I just wrapped it, but the guy that owns this house had somebody go under here. He was an electrician supposedly, but you can see he just put wire nuts on it and then just threw it under. Basically he crawled under, threw wire nuts under, and called it good, instead of mounting a junction box into place like you're supposed to. Same thing over here, because this is a rental house. The owner of this rental, if I remember correctly, he said the renters for some reason got pissed off, and before they moved out, they went underneath and they just snipped a bunch of the wiring underneath here. And then also, I've been going under and fixing any floors I've been ripping up and repairing them with electrical tape. And over here, I had to throw some drywall down because I couldn't get this wire to come over here enough, so I'd rather it be pinched between a piece of drywall and wood at least. A lot of mobile home fires, what'll happen is you get wires like that, and, you know, the way they build them, they'll just leave them clamped up between this metal air duct and the wood, and they'll eventually short out and start a fire right there. 1968 through 1976, they did aluminum wiring. So if you have a mobile home and you see any wiring in there that says Anaconda on it, chances are it's going to be aluminum wiring. I've replaced all the flooring in this place just about. This is all the flooring I have done in this place. It looks dirty now, and you can't even tell that I've replaced it because the drywall and stuff's been going in. This one still has yet to be done. Here's another bathroom I did. You can see it is ready for ceiling and tile and all that stuff. Of course, it's got to be leveled with floor leveler. But basically what I'm doing in here is getting ready to do some blocking. You'll see in the next clip. And after I do the blocking is I'm going to lay, instead of putting a whole 8 foot across here, since I had to correct all that and put a stud in here, put a stud under there. I had to put a stud under there, and then go underneath and toenail way under here. Usually, I will replace the toilet flanges and put a new flange in, but the homeowner wants me to just cut the floor big enough to fit around that. And his theory is, so that way if there's ever a leak, the water leaks out, which is actually not a bad idea. Me personally, I would cut that out completely and just put a brand new flange on top after the new subfloor is installed. All right, so I got the blocking put in. You can see all the way around the perimeter, and it is ready for the plywood to be measured and dropped down. As you can see, this piece right here was cut, or not cut, it was chipped real bad, so I ended up putting another brace in here, and it's not gonna go anywhere. All that stuff's pretty strong. Now it's just measuring out all your pipes and making sure you double check that. Anyways, if you live in the Tucson area and you want a mobile home floor replaced or repaired or whatever, let me know. Contact me in my email. I'll put it down below, and I can get you a quote and everything.